Hannah, and today I want to introduce you to my little sister Maria. Maria has asked to be in a few videos because she loves watching YouTube, and I want her to be in a couple of videos because she's really fun. And so, anything you want to say?
Yeah, sure. I like usually like watching other people on YouTube, but I would like to be on some videos. I am already on YouTube. I have this kid I built it a fort with my dad. So if you guys want to check that out, go check it out.
I'll link it in the description.
And it's called Maria's Fort in the Woods. And you just guys can check that out. And like I